ni Joy.
Hello, bye!
Both of our staffs from NNPA and MNE to do the Guess the K-pop song by their emoji. So let's go. First K-pop song.
Then,
Paalam na aking mahal.
hi!
Anyong ni Joy.
Hello, bye!
Wala ko lang yan. May monkey ba? May monkey? Shy. 1, 2, 3, go. Shy by Nayon.
May ganun ka.
I know, hindi ba? Ay, hindi. Ay, shy.
Tama yun!
Shy. Chira?
Yun!
Super shy!
Magnet! By, ano yun? This time, you.
Magnetic by Ilip!
Magnet?
Ano yan? Crazy for
Crazy nga ba you have to marry?
Dan! 1, 2, 3, go! Crazy by Lasem! Okay.
Neneng B.
Love and Rose?
Kulay roses ang bukas.
May bago tayong guest. Rose? Naikot yung kamay niyan.
Gabriela.
Ay! Gabriela by, Katsay!
Nakakahiya. 0 out of 5.
Nagulat ka. Ay, ang laki nung kanya.
Si Taeyong!
Eh, yung official yan.
Ay, wow! Sali na kayo sa Green FM, guys! Music and Entertainment Department!
NNPA! Cut